Hello guys, welcome to Real Matter TV. So today we will be talking about the tweets of President Muhammadu Buhari that Twitter deleted. He wrote a words of threats to the people of Nigeria that is going to raise a war against them, and Twitter is against it, and they deleted President Muhammadu Buhari tweets. And everybody is like, oh no, Twitter is, especially the Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed, he said that Twitter agenda in Nigeria is obvious. That Twitter are part of the enemy that want to destroy Nigeria. Lai Mohammed, Mr. Minister of Information, what Twitter did to Buhari is even 30% of what Twitter did to former President Donald Trump. They temporarily block President Donald Trump, former President Donald Trump. They block his page. They just deleted President Muhammadu Buhari tweets, and you people are like, Look, Buhari should understand that we are in a democratic era. This is not military regime. You cannot just wake up and start, utterly threat that those are trying to destroy Nigeria. You will treat them in a language they will understand. What language will Nigerians understand when the people that started the crisis, the people that started all this calamity, is the people from your own ethnic group? The Fulanis started all these things. They came out openly to utter threats to the people of Nigeria. And you, as the #1 citizen, the chief of all armed forces in Nigeria, you kept quiet. Now, lie you no go work. If you like utter a threat that you want to set the country ablaze, people will start it even before you, President Muhammadu Buhari. There is nothing you can do to the people of Nigeria. The international community are watching. They will charge you for war crime and you will pay with your life. There is nothing you can do. Absolutely nothing. This is a warning that Twitter has given to you that, come on, don't say that, man. Don't try to, put 20 million people under threat. Especially, you want to raise a war against the Southeast. It will not work. The war of 1967 is not the war of 2021. You just have less than 2 years in office. Mr. Man, you have to keep quiet or you resign and get out of office. Now is the time that you need to keep shut up. If you know that you cannot govern Nigeria, you have to resign and get out of office. If you know that you don't want to get yourself into trouble, do not just come out and start, threatening a nation of 2 million people that you are going to treat them in a language they will understand. And Twitter is against it because Twitter is a media platform which they have policy. And that policy, before having an account with them, they will ask you, you accept, click here if you want to abide our policy. Maybe President Muhammadu Buhari did not even read about the Twitter policy before he accepts. Now he's uttering a word of threats to 200 million people. And you think that the world will just keep quiet and watch you do this? No, it will not happen. You guys will evacuate Aso Rock. Enough is enough. The Fulani should stop. Now, you guys have murdered people. You have taken people's land. You put all your brother in important position in Nigeria. You guys control the armed forces of Nigeria. You control everything. Still not enough. You want to commit genocide. That will not work. You want to raise war against the people of Biafra. See what is happening in the Southeast at the moment. Why? Why this is happening in the Southeast? Why all this is happening in the South? Is because of the incompetence of this government. It's because of the injustice and nepotism. There is no justice for equity. That is why this war has spread to the southern part of the nation. The southern part of the nation is the place that is more peaceful, especially the Southeast. Now, these people have brought their problem. Their problem now has been giving birth to the Southeast. We have ESM, people who said that they will never sit down and see Fulani take over their land. They rather die. They raise a war against the ESN. And this Buhari regime, they have military, they have men on ground, they have jets, they have everything to go and fight ESN. But they don't have weapons to go and fight Boko Haram. They don't have weapons to track bandits. They don't have weapons to track the kidnappers. They don't have weapons to track those who are adopting students from the northern part of the nation. And people came out to defend themselves. The southern governors came out to say, no, we don't want this article of terrorism in our region. And the northern governor is against them, that the southern governor do not have rights to ban Fulanis. They don't have right to ban Fulanis. Okay, let's be obvious. The southern governors do not have right to ban Fulanis. But the northern governors have right to ban the southern traders that are trading in the north, to destroy their goods. They did not destroy you guys' cattle. They just said, we don't want open grazing. We can only empower ranching. If you want to comply with us, we give you a piece of land, you rent, you pay your revenue. Come on, this is how a civilized nation needs. This is how civilization is supposed to be. Not we are living like a jungle. We are not in a banana republic. If Buhari thinks that he wants to be a dictator, Mr. Ma, you are dreaming. You have to wake up from your slumber. You are dreaming. You can never be. You can never be a dictator. You can never be a dictator. Never. It will never, even for one day, you can never be a dictator for one day. Nigeria will split. Nigeria will split. So it's better the Northerners understand this and calm down and calm down. You guys, if you cannot wait till 2023 so you can be voted out of power democratically, so it's better you submit your resignation letter and get out of office, or you'll be impeached and even annoyed of the National Assembly. They know what they are supposed to do. They know what they are supposed to do. But the president uttering this word to a nation of 200 million people, they know what they are supposed to do. This is the time to impeach Buhari. This is the time to get Buhari out of office. This is the right time. But the National Assembly, they will not do it because they are part of the injustice. They are part of this crime against the people of Nigeria. Come all over the world and see Nigerians doing well. But where we came from is a shithole. It's a pit where we came from. Sorry that I use that word. We came from a very nice place. But if I use that word shithole, people who claim that they are our representative, they are shithead. They know nothing. They know nothing. They know nothing. Guys, do not forget to drop your comment below. And do not forget, this war is not just war against the people of Nigeria. It's a war against the people of Africa. And if Nigeria can overcome, Africa will overcome. Together, we are going to be a better people. Thank you very much.